Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course, up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down, you'll find our push-to-start ignition as well as our trailer brake controls, heated seat controls, and our dual climate controls with our USB-C and USB charge ports right beside that. We have additional storage here in the middle with our cup holders, shifter, additional storage along the side. And inside of our middle console, we do have our wireless charging pad, AC outlet, and of course our USB-C and USB charge port. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows. And right above that, we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks. And over here, you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. If we take a look here at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here on the right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, our cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we throw this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And last but not least, up top, we have our universal home garage opener, our power controls for our sliding rear window, and our power controls for our sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage, as well as our two USB-C and USB charge ports, two vents, two cup holders. In the middle, we do have our additional cup holders, as well as our rear power sliding window. Extra storage inside of our seats here, as well as additional storage underneath for anything you might need. Checking out the exterior here on the Trail Boss, of course, we have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our grille, black grille with our Z71 badging, red tow hooks along the bottom, LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. This vehicle also does come equipped with paint protection along the front, black rims on our lovely Bridgestone tires, black accent side mirrors up top with our black accent handles with keyless entry, tint in the rear window. Making our way to the side, you'll find our Trail Boss decal, corner assist steps on each side, dual chrome exhaust at the back with chrome accent Silverado and LT badging. And of course, opening up the tailgate here, it'll come down with the push of a button automatically to lead us to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.